Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 60, Instrument negotiable till payment or satisfaction. Section 60 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 lays down the principle regarding the duration of negotiability of a negotiable instrument. It clarifies that such an instrument remains capable of being negotiated until it has been duly paid or otherwise satisfied, subject to certain limitations. 1. General rule continuity of negotiability. The section provides that a negotiable instrument may be negotiated until it has been paid or satisfied by the maker, drawer, or acceptor at or after maturity. This means that, in general, a negotiable instrument continues to retain its character as negotiable and transferable until the obligation embodied in it has been discharged by proper payment. As long as the instrument remains unpaid and unsatisfied, it can circulate in the course of business through valid negotiation. 2. Meaning of payment or satisfaction. Payment refers to the discharge of the amount due under the instrument by the person primarily liable, such as the maker of a promissory note, the drawer of a cheque, or the acceptor of a bill of exchange. Satisfaction denotes the complete discharge of liability in accordance with law, whether by payment or by any other legally recognized method. Once the instrument is duly paid or satisfied at or after maturity, its negotiability comes to an end. 3. Exception restriction on maker, drawer or acceptor after maturity. The section contains an important limitation. Although a negotiable instrument may be negotiated until payment or satisfaction, it cannot be negotiated by the maker, drawer, or acceptor after maturity. This means that once the instrument has reached maturity, the person primarily liable cannot further negotiate it in a manner that revives or extends liability. For example, if the acceptor of a bill reacquires it after maturity, he cannot negotiate it again so as to create fresh liability against prior parties. 4. Effect of payment at or after maturity. When a negotiable instrument is paid or satisfied by the maker, drawer, or acceptor at or after maturity, it stands discharged and the obligation embodied in it is extinguished. After such discharge, the instrument ceases to be negotiable, no further rights can be transferred, and finality in commercial transactions is ensured. 5. Purpose of the provision. The purpose of Section 60 is to define the point at which negotiability ends. It preserves the free transferability of instruments until they are duly discharged, while preventing continued circulation after proper payment. The restriction on the maker, drawer, or acceptor after maturity prevents misuse or revival of liability once the instrument has served its purpose. 6. Commercial significance. This provision ensures certainty regarding the life of a negotiable instrument, prevents recirculation of paid instruments, secures finality of discharge upon payment, and promotes stability and reliability in commercial transactions, thereby safeguarding parties from repeated or revived liability. For more details, contact us.